Welcome back to our channel. For those that are brand new, thank you so much for joining us. If you don't know who I am, my name is Alex Hughes with the North Pacific Homes Group here in Victoria. I do apologize, I forgot my microphone, so the audio quality isn't the greatest. But today we will be looking at one of our new listings, doing a virtual tour of Unit 301 at Lakepoint 1 here in Langford. It is a 2-bed, 2-bath condo, over 1,100 square feet with a massive southeast facing balcony. And I hope you enjoy. All right, welcome to Lakepoint 1. Like I had said, I was actually one of the suppliers in my previous job for this building. So I was there seeing it being built from the ground up. We'll head into the lobby. We're gonna jump into the elevator, head up to the 3rd floor, hook a right. Now what you're gonna notice is because it's close to the elevator, even though it's got a gap, you don't have any neighbors on either side of you. Walk in, kick my shoes off, we're gonna head in. Not something you see too often, and this is its own separate laundry area with a ton of space. We're then gonna head into the 2nd bathroom here, and I'm 6'3" and I still fit in that tub, so it's a good deep sized tub, not the standard that you're seeing. And now into the main living area. It's over 1,100 square feet. You have a lot of space around. It's not like a typical condo, these new ones being built that are quite tight. You've got a lot of space. What I love about what they've done with the kitchen here, as you see the appliance package, but you have a fair amount of space between that stove and the sink. As you can see, you can have the dishwasher down and it's you're still able to walk around it. We've got our own separate dining area as well. They've got a 6-person table here. You can easily fit an 8-person if you'd want to. Heading into the primary bedroom, they've got a king-size bed with end tables on either side. And then as I flip around here, you're gonna see the walk-through closet that leads into the primary ensuite, which is a great size. They've got a fantastic, massive walk-in shower here that's perfect for anybody with mobility issues. We've got the toilet obviously right next to it, and then behind me will be the partner sinks. But then we're gonna walk back across the unit and into the 2nd bedroom. This bedroom is currently being used as an office. You see they've got a Murphy bed there. But what I love about this bedroom is not only that it's a little bit larger than the standard condo rooms that we're seeing now, but it does have a fairly large closet, which you can go inside. So technically it is a walk-in closet. Now heading to the showstopper of this building, and that is the rooftop patio up on the 6th floor. And as I get up there, I don't catch it on the camera, but they do have gas barbecues and places to prep your food there, but tons of space for you to bring your friends over, enjoy. I mean, look at the view of Langford Lake. It's absolutely stunning. It gets sun from every single angle. Great for you to go out, read a book, hang out for a bit, maybe have that evening drink. But it's been such an incredible feature for this property, and one of the reasons why our clients decided to buy here. Now I messed up the order of this a little bit, but we're gonna head back down to the personal patio here. It's 372 square feet. They spend so much time here, and you can see you've allowed your barbecues there. They've got an area to sit down and relax, and this is, again, one of the main reasons why they bought this home. You don't see condos at this price range with this size of patio anymore. And that is the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not hesitate to reach out. Our number will be down below, and we would love to get you through this absolutely beautiful home. Thank you so much for watching.